Everybody, Jasmine Lear. This is my scrolling web page. Uh, I found a really useful video on YouTube by Gary Dufner titled Muse One Page Scroll with Fixed Navigation. And in about 10 minutes, 12 minutes, he shows you how to set up the page really simply and explains how to do the anchor points. And I found it to be a huge help. I'm going to share a link to that video in my post. I'm sure some of you could appreciate it as much as I did, so check that out. So this is my navigation bar, which is pinned at the top so that when I scroll down, it stays in place. I also pinned these icons so they would always be right there. And then these link to the little anchors I added, like I said. And it's just basically my 4 pages just all laid out in one page. For some reason, my accordion right here isn't working, so I'm not sure why. I have to fix that. But other than that, I'm really happy with this. I think this is a really simple layout, especially for my site because there's just not a lot on it. So this was really enjoyable, and I'm looking forward to making little improvements to it before the end of this milestone. Thanks for looking, guys.